Thanks very much for tuning into another video. This is a review of the Camplux NANO 3 Pro portable outdoor water heater. This is a really cool device if you want warm water wherever you are on the go and all you have is something like a bucket of water or maybe a creek as a source. My name is John and this is Gel Reviews, and we're going to get stuck into this review right now. Please subscribe. So this is from the Camplux company. If you check out their website, they make a lot of different sort of camping and portable water heating units. This is their premium product that they sell, and I have to say it is a pretty darn good product. This can be simply taken, you turn on the pump, and from whatever water source you have there, you turn it on and you have nice piping hot water on the go. It's great, mate. If you're interested in this product, I will be leaving some links in the description of this video. Feel free to check it out and you'll be getting one at the best possible price. And this is the box that it comes in. You'll see there's a nice picture on the outside. The packaging here is pretty secure. It comes with a lot of foam in here that makes sure that it arrives to you with no damage. And that's all we need to know about that. And this is everything that comes with the Camplux NANO 3 Pro. So let's talk about it. Obviously, this is the main unit itself. Then we also have the hot water hose. It's got a quick connect adapter at the end there, and it has a on-off trigger powered 3 different setting shower head. And this is where the water inlet is. This is a little pump there. It's got a filter on the end and it's powered by 12 volt DC. The rubber hose here is blue, indicating water comes in through that. We have a 12 volt car socket cigarette lighter style adapter here, and this is to charge up the battery in there. We have a gas regulator right here, and this is pretty good quality, and we have a little shower handle bracket, and this attaches to the unit here, and I'll show that to you as well shortly. And we also finally have a user manual by Camplux. To be fair, this manual is actually very informative and very well laid out, written. It's good quality, lots of pictures in here. There's no misunderstanding of how this unit works. I review so many products where the manual is absolute garbage. They're Chinese products, or I don't know who writes it, but this is actually exceptionally well written. So good work, guys. So one of the first things that you'll notice about the Nano 3 Plus is just how sleek it looks. Like, it actually is a very stylish unit here. And I simply love the look of it. It's got an LCD screen up on the front. It's got all your connections that are relevant to you up on the front. It has these hot vents that are over here. It's got some more vents down here. The back of it looks like this. This is where you plug in your gas regulator. There is also a battery component section down here. And then on the bottom is the main on-off switch. And on the other side, it just looks identical to the opposite side there. So that's the unit. Very cool. So first impressions are extremely positive. Now, what I really like about the Nano is just how portable it is. It's got these 2 grab handles here, and literally you can just pick this up, carry it anywhere. It's really handy like that. Let's just have a look at how much this weighs. The unit weighs 6.375 kilograms. The dimensions of the unit from end to end here, 385 millimeters long, 170 millimeters wide, and 315 millimeters high. But if we include the handles, it is 380 millimeters high to the top of the handle. Now let's talk about how it runs. It runs off propane gas. Now this is a very typical camping canister. This is 468 grams of propane gas. And plus, these are cheap to buy at your local hardware store, such as Bunnings or wherever you get your local gas supplies. You will need this gas regulator valve. So the way it works is we turn it around to the rear, and there is the connection port. And this is what it looks like. So what we do, we actually put it on, push it forward, and then we start getting the thread located and tightened up. There we go. With the regulator up on the rear of the unit, we then can take our propane gas bottle, and this is now where we start attaching it to the underside. Excellent. So that is all it takes to attach your gas canister to the Camplux NANO 3 Pro. Next, we're going to connect our water inlet hose, and you'll notice I've just got a bucket of water just down here. So just imagine your camping setup or outdoor setup. All you need is some source of water, and you plonk this very portable hot water unit near that water source. This is the 12-volt cord here, right here, and that obviously powers the pump. It's got on here Camplux NANO 3 water pump. Quite a generic pump, but actually it does feel a little bit better quality than others that I have seen before. All I'm doing literally is just putting it into my water source, just like that. It has a quick connector adapter fitting there. It's blue and it's blue, so very hard to make an error, and it just snaps into place. I like that. It's very, very easy to connect. Next, we need to connect our 12-volt cable. This goes into where it says pump. So we open up this rubber cover port and plug it in, and that's all there is to it. Next, we grab our hot water outlet hose. This is indicated by the red hose, and I can't stress just how premium feeling these hoses are. Like it's a nice rubbery feel. It's extremely flexible. Just feels very, very high quality to me. Then we get the end here. We put it onto our water outlet, and it just snaps beautifully into place. Next, we have our shower handle here, and what the unit comes with is a little bracket. The idea of this bracket is that you can attach it to this handle and then put the shower handle into that. So we just undo this, that comes off, and that opens up, and all we're doing is putting this around that handle. We put the outer frame on, and then we begin to thread the knob. With that done, you now have a shower holding bracket, and pretty much it just sits in like that. And wherever you set yourself up, that is very handy just to have your shower handle right there. Now, there are multiple uses that you can use this, okay? Don't just think outdoor showers. Remember, you can use this to have a hot water supply for washing the dishes at your camping setup or outdoor setup. You can have this also for washing your dog down, wherever that might be. So yeah, think a little bit more outside the box. Is not simply just to have a shower for yourself. So now we want to turn on the unit and actually get some hot water out. To do that, we turn on the switch, which is just over here, to the on position. With this unit on, now we have our on-off switch, we have our pump switch. Let's just turn it on, and the unit turns on. We're going to fire this thing up, and to do that, we're simply going to press our pump button. The pump in the water source turns on. Upon the shower head, there are 3 different settings. There's sort of this wide spray. There's a mid spray that has both the center and a little bit wider. And then there is more that style of stream. Up on the screen here, this will tell me what temperature is actually coming outside of the hose and how much the temperature is coming inside. This is 40 degrees Celsius at the moment, and this is just a beautiful temperature. I would be so pleased to have a shower at 40 degrees hot water. We can turn this up, and it's very precise, and you'll notice that now the temperature is starting to rise. As I turn it up, the heat from the gas begins to increase. I can hear the flame inside the unit turning up. This says 45, 47. When it gets to 50, it has a safety cutout feature, as you'll see in a moment. E6 comes up, the pump kicks out, and it stops heating. The reason for this is because 50 degrees is a common cutout temperature upon thermostats in homes. Anything over 50 degrees Celsius is too hot for humans. And so that's a great safety feature. 50 degrees is plenty hot enough. Now when you turn the pump on and the heater kicks in, you will actually hear the pilot light and the gas commence. Listen to this. The flame kicked in. It's at 40 degrees Celsius, 41. A beautiful, beautiful temperature. If I want it maybe at 45, I turn it up a little and the temperature starts to creep up. And I can hear the flame burning inside the unit. Let's turn it down because I don't want it getting over 50 degrees. And there we go. Now this flows at a rate of 3 litres per minute. 3 litres per minute. So, you know, you either have a bucket and you're showering within a larger container or a bucket and you can keep on using that water, or you just have to have a water supply source, I don't know, say from a creek or something like that. The shower head here actually has a on-off button. For example, this is it. That's a pretty cool feature, to be able to turn it off when you don't need it and then back on. Another safety feature is that when you turn it off, say for example, you know, you've stopped your shower, but you've forgotten to turn this unit off, the pump is still operating. Can you hear it? Now, if you forget to turn this off over here, the pump will turn off after 2 minutes. So that's another safety feature of the Nano 3 Pro. Now the Nano 3 Pro has a 4000 milliampere power lithium ion battery. The battery is good to go for about 90 minutes. It'll take about 3 hours to charge from 0 to hero to fully charge. You will charge that using the 12 volt charging cable like this. While you have battery power there, 90 minutes of runtime. If it runs out, you need to charge it using the cable. So to charge a battery, you just need some kind of a DC charging source. I have a portable charging station. I will plug this simply into the 12 volt cigarette lighter type of port, and this goes into the 12 volt DC charge port like this. I'll turn on my power source, and then this is telling me that it is charging. Something to be aware of is it does not come with any form of carry case, so I'll just keep all my stuff in like one of these big plastic clip seal bags, and it might be something like this. You may be able to find some sort of a bag that's suitable to put this in, but it does not come with it, so just be aware of that. Yeah, so look guys, all in all, this is a very, very versatile and compact hot water unit by the Camplux company. Really, really nicely made, high quality, and honestly, yeah, I do recommend this product. Don't forget, I'll leave some links down in the description of this video, and feel free to check them out. Those links will give you the best price, and you can check out all the details and specs from Camplux Direct themselves. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you upon the next one. Oh, so warm. That is really, really nice.